Security problems created by inexperienced developers. Inexperienced developers often think that they can make their applications more secure by adding SHA or BCrypt hashing to their password tables. This is a great method if implemented correctly, but most implementations are done wrong. By using SHA or BCrypt, you add a huge amount of CPU requirements when authenticating users via their password. If you're not doing password checks to make sure that the password that was entered conforms to a password you would accept before you run the hash, you may expose yourself to a denial of service attacks. Sites often will accept anything in the password form, and so sending 1 or 2 megs of data to be SHA or BCrypted can add thousands of CPU cycles to the authentication process for a user that has no chance of being authenticated. This allows for denial of service attacks from a single IP address pretty easily. By sending the same 1 or 2 megabyte password over and over again, the server is forced to hash it, and a single computer can add tens of thousands of CPUs of requirements to a running process, either costing them money if they're running in a cloud environment or taking the service all the way down if they're running on standard hardware. Because of these problems, it's very important that you have somebody who's familiar with doing security do a security audit on your sites, rather than trusting that the best practices as implemented by your developers were done correctly.